It's Christmas time. I'm the Vintage Collector, and these are my short Advent time stories. So I got this 1999 Blueberry iBook G3, which was in surprisingly good condition and boots up just fine into macOS 10. Of course it needs reinstall, and it would be perfect had it been missing the F2 function key on the keyboard. Luckily, there's some places online where you can still get replacements even for these old machines. It's only as important you watch closely to order a correct replacement key matching your exact machine. And once I had it, I went straight on to fit it. Even though I had seen the installation video up front, it was a terribly fumbly experience to fit the hinge and the key. But eventually it worked out, and everything goes again exactly the way it should. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below. I'm the Vintage Collector, and this was my short Advent time story for today. Thanks for watching, and see you again tomorrow.